Hi Capricorn, welcome to Omkara Tarot and to your weekly energy read of you and yours. Okay, this is you and the person who's energetically connected to you this week, who's affecting your energy. This could be somebody on your mind, somebody you're dealing with right now. Doesn't have to be a love interest, but yes, a love interest could pop through too. Though I will be doing specific love readings soon, so keep a lookout for them. But this one is for anyone who's affecting your energy. Could be a boss, child, neighbor, anyone. So, and also to Capricorn, these are readings which are general readings, okay? So each and every one is not going to be resonating with all of you out there. So take what works for you, just leave the rest. And I do have another announcement. Capricorn, I've just finished the first successful month of this channel. And as a thank you to all of you out there, I want to give you a little gift. So all my subscribers, I want to give you a 3-card free reading. So if you have a question in mind, send me an email, the question and your name, and I will be happy to send you a free reading. With that said, let's start your reading. So this is person 1. Now you decide which side you resonate most with, okay? For me, this is person 1, this is person 2. So one of them is you for sure. So let's see. 8 of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, 7 of Wands, 2 of Wands, 3 of Pentacles, 10 of Swords in reverse, which is good. Okay. Person 2 has the Knight of Wands, 8 of Cups, 3 of Cups, Death in reverse, 9 of Wands, 3 of Wands, and mutual energies, 8 of Pentacles, Strength in reverse, and the 5 of Swords in reverse. So what's going on, Capricorn? Who is this person? From person A's side here, I see there was some fast communication regarding something. And that communication was basically not very positive, I would say. It was sudden for sure. Okay, some news came in fast, which kind of brought things to a halt. This was something person A was really praying for. Person A was really hoping and praying for something, but there was a lot of confusion regarding this, okay? And with this communication, something kind of came to a complete halt here. Yeah, this 9 of Wands, I have this side and I have the Knight of Wands this side. So, it came to a point where you felt that you have to now probably give up. Maybe there was something that you were trying to work on, and you felt it's like banging your head against, a brick wall, and there's really no progress in this job or work or business that you probably were trying to accomplish. This looks quite like a work-related reading, Capricorn. So whatever the work you were trying to do, maybe you got some kind of message regarding it, and now you're looking out to see what can be accomplished, what is possible. Maybe there was something which didn't grow, right? Something which didn't grow. Maybe one person won at the expense of somebody else. Okay, there was somebody here there was some power play that happened, and some sudden news came about this. This really made this person feel that all was lost, and now they don't know how to move forward together or build again together. But I see them trying to come out of this. See, person A is feeling really sad. Okay, person A is now regretting or feeling bad about whatever has happened in the past. They don't feel victorious at all. They feel almost embarrassed. It's like a public humiliation at what has happened in this, maybe work-related thing. There was so much, there was like a completion. There was pain. There was betrayal here. But this person is trying very hard now to come out of it and maybe start something new. Okay, person A is been through all that, and they've gone back and forth to think about this communication that came through, which stopped the progress of whatever was happening here, about somebody who, yeah, see, King of Pentacles in reverse. Now the King of Pentacles is somebody who's prosperous, who's got all his business and work and money in order, but this person is right now, person is feeling a bit weak, not feeling as if I have it all together. But they are trying to come out of this feeling betrayed and stabbed in the back kind of feeling, and thinking of what is it that I can build now, so that this entire chapter, whatever I've worked for till now, doesn't come to a complete halt and come to a close. What is it that I can do to, so deep contemplation mode. Person A is in deep contemplation mode at the moment, and trying to think and see things from a different perspective now, as to what can I make of it to rebuild whatever has been lost. Let's see person B now. Person B is this is somebody here who's a little foolish, if I may say so. Capricorn, whether this is you or the other person, normally the Fool represents a fresh beginning, a leap of faith, fresh start. But in this case, I somewhere feel that there was an immature energy here. Someone, Knight of Wands is someone who's brash, immature, takes risks, is not very responsible, I would say. And maybe this Knight of Wands did something foolish, okay, and that led to someone's walking away from this dynamic here, whether it was business or relationship, work, I don't know. It seems more work related to me somehow, and maybe this person was having too much fun. They were having too much fun, and they were partying, they were having a good time. There was a lot of foolish behavior here. See, I have the Three of Cups, clarified by the Three of Cups. Okay, so a lot of partying, maybe, seeing too many options, girlfriends, moving away from their responsibilities, foolish behavior, the player energy here, going in and out of relationships. So all that was happening on this end. And now they realize that, oh my God, what have I done? And they're feeling like pretty embarrassed about it. And they're trying to keep their head down. And they realize that something has come to, something has finished. Maybe they were responsible for something which they did not take care of. And they're trying to reverse the process now. Okay, and till then they're trying to keep their head down. Yes, they were responsible maybe for spoiling the stability of whatever these two people were trying to create. And they're looking very embarrassed about it at the moment. Really, really embarrassed. They don't know how to move forward anymore. They're just trying to keep their head down. And see the Lovers in reverse as well. So they don't know what kind of choice to make now. They don't know what to do. They are afraid, and they're kind of losing strength here. They definitely realize, and maybe they don't want to get caught. Yes, this was a mischief maker. Okay, the Page of Swords is here. So maybe this is a younger energy, a child or a younger person. So they're trying to stop the inevitable from coming out. But, this is an energy which can only be stalled. Okay, this can't, only stalled for some time. Whatever truth has to come out has already come out or will come out soon, even if they try and hide and not let share it with people. Anything else, Spirit? Oops, too many cards. Person B, anything else, Spirit? See, Knight of Wands, King of Wands. This person took a lot of fast action, a lot of promises, but probably could not see them through. This is not a King of Pentacle energy. King of Pentacle was this side. But King of Pentacle is, the person A is feeling a bit weak because of the actions of this King of Wands and Knight of Wands here. So let's see what is your mutual energy together. What are these cards? Okay. Let's see your mutual energies for both of you. I think both of you are kind of cooling off, not showing each other too much affection, but both of you are now also trying to slowly work towards maybe to build things again, slow and steady, maybe individually or together. But I don't think you both are showing any kind of affection to each other right now, especially this week. You both feel that you've got kind of that this project, or both of you have lost the strength between the two of you. Both of you are feeling a bit low at whatever's gone down. There's also, if you both are single individually, if you both are single or wanted to feel secure and whatever, right now I don't think you're individually your money situation or your position you're feeling as strong. In fact, you're feeling a little embarrassed about whatever has happened in this case. But I do see both of you individually or together trying to work on it. I have this card twice now. Okay, I have this card twice in your mutual energy. Both are trying to put the work in, which is very good, which is very, very good. So bygones be bygones. Both people are now trying to re-begin and re-put in as much effort as possible, so that there can be a rebirth. Something can whatever has finished or died or come to a standstill, there can be a rebirth in that, and some kind of positive movement can be brought back. Person B is feeling bad about what's gone down, and person A is trying to recover. There was a lack of stability here. Okay, Capricorn, there was a little lack of stability here. There was turbulent waters which you both felt that it was impossible to move away from and move into anything calmer anymore. Both of you probably holding on to whatever's left of what went down. Okay, but I do see two people now this week trying to passionately move ahead again. Okay, trying to recapture whatever balance that was lost, trying to work maybe individually or together to bring some kind of stability back to this, which is very good. So let's take an angel card for you, Capricorn. Angels, how can you help Capricorn and their person to bring some peace, harmony and stability back to their lives? Believe you, it's possible. Okay, if you could, you people could have it earlier, and if there were some mistakes made, please believe that you can have a rebirth from this, and if you work diligently and work hard towards making this right, it is possible to recapture whatever has been lost here. Whether this was money, Capricorn, whether this was work, please believe it's possible to, if you both put your heads down and get down to it, instead of blaming each other, maybe forgive each other and re-begin. Let's take one more card. Maybe this is the time to take a break. Okay, you both have been stressed out. Just take a little break, think about it, talk it out, and with a fresh perspective, fresh mind, maybe begin again. So that's all I have for you, Capricorn. And if you see a blue logo icon of Omkara on the screen, please click it and subscribe. That'd be really nice. So I can see you again soon. Love and light.